Let's move on to class. So last class we had discussed right. So how to create users. Next, how to create users and how to log in that specific users and all, and how to configure credentials. How many ways we can add credentials and all. So if you go to manage Jenkins, so yesterday we discussed right. So mostly security section. Mostly security section, how to create users, and so how many ways we can add credentials and all, how many ways we can add credentials, and so what are the credential providers. If you want to we can exclude, or if you want to we can include also. So these are the sum of options. And also last class we discussed right, security. So in real time, right, so if you come to real time world. So this is just assume this is our Jenkins server. Just assume this is our Jenkins server. Okay. So just assume this is the enterprise Jenkins server. This is the Jenkins server. All here. So there is many jobs we created. Many projects running here. These all are the projects. These are the projects. Just assume. So here many projects. For example, ABC project, XYZ project, and also right. So there is many projects. So here running. Okay. So many projects here running. So there is just assume so Java related, .NET related projects, Salesforce related projects. So there is many projects running here. Now, if you come to organization, you are the part of only one project, right? You are not going to work with all projects. Now got it?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so just assume I am the part of so Java related projects. I am working on Java related projects. And so other resources working in ABC. So other resources working in Salesforce project. Now, so if you come to real time, there is a Jenkins server. We are maintaining enterprise Jenkins server. And this is the only one server. All organization, all Jenkins jobs related, all Jenkins jobs and all running in this mission. So now just assume this is the ABC XYZ project, Java, .NET, Salesforce. There is many projects running here. If right, so there is many resource also working parallelly. Many resource working parallelly. So now see here, he is a part of. So he is a part of. So I am the part of. For example, just assume. So he is a one guy, and he is a part of ABC project. Just assume. And so he is. Now see here, he is a part of, right, Shiva, he is a part of a Salesforce project. I am, and he's just assume he is a part of another project. He is part of another project. He is a part of another project. And just here, so many people working parallelly, right? So there is this is our Jenkins server. This is the enterprise Jenkins server. And so in this Jenkins server, there is lot of projects running here. We created running like many projects. I am part of APC project. You are part of so Java project. Is part of .NET Salesforce. Now, how to provide security? This now, if you are not provide security, if everyone can see all jobs, if everyone can see all projects, maybe we can delete, we can modify, we can do some mistake, right? Knowingly or unknowingly. I hope you got it right. Now, if you see here, this is our Jenkins server. This is our Jenkins server. And right now I logged into administrator. Now I can see all jobs, whatever as of now, whatever jobs I created, I can see all, I can see all, I can see all jobs. Now if we go here, see here manage Jenkins. So as of now, there is a few users, right? DevOps user is there, dev user is there, and real time if you come to there is many users we added. All users working same Jenkins server. Now even if I log into see log out, even if I log into which is a DevOps, even if I log into DevOps, I can see all jobs. Now see here, now we can see right. Is there any restriction as of now? I can see or not?
Yes, we can see.
You can see. So now is there any security? Just assume I am the part of only one project. So just I logged into DevOps user. Now I logged into DevOps user. Now I logged into DevOps user and DevOps is working on Salesforce project. Just assume he is a part of CRM project. So he is a part of this is the DevOps user. This is the DevOps user. If I log into my Jenkins server, I have to give access only this project, this jobs, related Salesforce jobs. Why I need to provide all these other project access? Now clear? So even if I give all project access, maybe this guy can do anything, right? Maybe he modified or he can trigger the bills. He can do some operations. But this is in real time. If you want to handle, there is many people working parallelly, and so without access level, so handling is very difficult in real time. Now just assume so there is one manager. He is a manager. Just assume he is a manager. He is handling multiple projects, right? He is a manager. He is a manager, and he is handling multiple projects. He is a manager. He is handling multiple projects. And so for this guy, we want to give some other actions. For example, he is handling so Salesforce project, Java project. For this guys, I want to give so some admin level access, and I need to give so some access level. So if you want to provide, so that is the right. Yesterday we discussed role-based authorization strategy plugin based on user role. For example, so he is the tester. So just assume Rama is the tester. So for this, I want to give only tester. So which access enough for this guy? Only read access. He can see only jobs. He cannot create, he cannot modify. I want to, so we have to give only read access. For example, so Shiva, he is admin. I am giving some, so for example, developer, he is a developer. I want to give some other access. Read, write, he can trigger the build also. He can trigger the build. Now he is a manager. I want to give some other access, other roles. So he can do anything. He can create, he can trigger, he can modify whatever you want. So I'm giving some extra permissions, extra access level. That is based on user role. Based on user role, we have to give some permissions. So DevOps engineer, I am the admin. I need all access. So admin access. So for this guy, we are going to provide admin level access. So like this, based on user role, if you want to provide any access level, so that case we should go for role based authentication. Now see here, if I log into see here, I can see all jobs. Just assume if I log into DevOps user, so we want to display only DevOps related jobs projects. I don't want to display, I don't want to give access other jobs. This is security, right? Now do we have any security as of now?
No security.
No, I can log in, I can see all jobs. Whatever you want, we can do it. We can modify, we can delete, we can trigger the jobs. If I give like this, right now I don't have any access level. Now, so everyone can see all jobs. Everyone can see this guy, for example, he can modify, or unfortunately, this guy he can delete this job. See here, now I logged into so DevOps. So this guy they can delete. See here, this is the admin. Like now this guy act as like admin. So deleted all jobs. So even if you add so DevOps, dev user, now I can do all operations. Now see here, dev user, he can do everything. See here, now I log into dev user. Right now I didn't give any permissions, any access level. Now see, if you want to, we can delete this job. So you can trigger the job also. So there is no restrictions. Now see here, there is no restrictions. Whatever you want, you can do it. Now got it? Now, so but if we come to real time, so how to handle these situations? Now there is a one plugin, powerful plugin, Jenkins providing. What is that plugin, guys? Very, very important. Most of the cases we are using. What is the plugin? Role based
So,
authorization plugin. So just I will give, there is some few steps we need to configure. I will share this document and just follow same thing. Okay. So how to configure role based so authorization strategy plugin. Okay. So now how to check whether it is installed or not. So how to check it? Go to dashboard. How to check it, guys? So yesterday already we discussed, right? Go to manage Jenkins and so go to here, go to security, go to security, and if we see here, there is a authorization. There is a authorization. So now we can see, do we have any? We can see role based authorization plugin here.
no, sir.
No, only we can see matrix based and project based. Only matrix based and project based. Now first let me install. How to install plugin? I hope everyone know. So how to install plugin, guys? So go to manage Jenkins
Emergencies.
and there is a
Go to tools.
plugin section and so here
Yes, sir.
click on available tabs. Search the what is the plugin name? Role.
Role
Role
based.
If we
based.
type see here role based authorization strategy plugin. See enable user authorization using role based strategy. Based on user role, I have to give some permissions. I don't want to give all permissions for every user. So I am the part of DevOps. We have to give only specific projects. So you are the manager. We can see all projects. So he is the tester. He can give only read write like based on user role. So see globally or for particular jobs, nodes selected by regular expressions. Just select it and click on the install. That's it. Installation is very simple. Okay, that's it. No need to do anything. So no need to do anything. So once plugin is installed, now go to dashboard, go to manage Jenkins, and so go to here, security, under security. Now you can see there is a one more option. See here, role based strategy. Now got it. Now plugin was installed. Okay, that's it. One part is done. Now see here. So to configure and all, so install Roadblazer strategy plugin, and already I given all steps and all. Just follow same steps. Don't do anything others. Okay. Now how to enable Roadblazer strategy plugin? First step is done. Now step second. So how to enable? Now if you come to here, go to dashboard, go to manage Jenkins. So now if you see here, now we can see one more option. Manage assign roles. So can you see any option here? Manage roles and assign. Now see, we can't see anything, right? Manage roles and all like that. Any option here? No. If you enable role based authorization status, we can see one more option. So like this. So role based authorization. Now we can see manage and assign roles. This is the one more extra option we can see. So as of now, we can't see anything here. See here, I didn't enable. See, did you see anything here? Manage and assign roles. Is there
No,
any
sir. We
option?
have.
No. Now first enable it. How to enable? So go to here, go to same here whatever we are following same steps. See, so go to configuration second, just select that's it. Okay. So go to manage Jenkins, go to security, and so here I am selecting role based. That's it. Role based. Apply, save. Apply, save. Now if you observe here, go to manage Jenkins. Now you can see one more option. I enable, right?
Yes.
Once you
Manage and
enable,
assign.
now you can see one more option, manage and assign roles. handle permissions by creating roles and assigning them to users and groups. Now, so these are the users, right? These are the users. For every user, I have to give some permissions. What type of permissions, that is up to you. That is up to you. You don't worry. We can give whatever you want. We can apply. We can give permissions to that users. Now I enable. So now see here, this step also done. See, now we can see. I can see this and all. Now we have to create users. Now we have to create users also. We have to create users also. Now see here. Now we can log into users and you can see the create users. Okay. Install and you can see and see here install role based assessment plugin. Already this is same steps already we done, right? Same steps. Now try to login created users. Try to login so created users. Try to login created users. Now see here, observe here. Now I am login to which user? Admin user. I log into which user? Admin user. Now already we have two users, right? Already we have two users. Now go to manage Jenkins and so go to where is user section? Users. Already we have DevOps user. Or if you want to, we can create so new user also. Okay. I am using so test user user. Just whatever you want, we can use. And email also we can add it. That's it. User is created. Now let me create for example I am creating so uh, dev for our understanding purpose I am giving a crm, right? Dev user and this is the developer. Just assume developer is the developer. Just I am using same way create users. I put crm, for example test user, test. Okay. Tester. Whatever you want, we can give it. Okay. CRM tester. Now just I am giving so CRM admin. Admin means we are giving some extra permissions. Now here I given three types of users. So here I given CRM. That is the reason I created CRM related users only. Now see here, one is so developer, one is a tester, and one is CRM admin. So these are the three users, right? So for testers, I am going to give some permissions. For developers, I am going to give some extra permissions. For admin level, I am going to give some extra permissions. Now, anyone, any doubt here? I hope already you know, right? How to create users and all. Clear?
Clear, sir.
Now, so now go to here. So go to dashboard. Go to dashboard. Now, I enable, right? So first I am going to disable. Now try to log in. Now see here, manage Jenkins security and so here so logged in user can do anything. This is the default option, right? Apply. Save. Now first try here. Now sign in. What is the username? CRM dev user. Now see here, this user can see all jobs, testers, developer, whatever you want. See here, you can see all jobs. But I am the part of only Salesforce project. So I don't want to display all these projects. I don't want to display all these so jobs and all. Okay. Now I created users also. I created users also. I created users also. Now let me create few jobs. Okay. Now see here, log out and login. I am login to so admin. Okay. Now let me create a few jobs. So that jobs and all I am following same pattern. Here I given some pattern. If you want to, we can follow same. Whatever you want, we can follow. So for example, CRM, right? CRM. So this is the dev job. This is the dev job. Okay. Just save it. I created one job. Only testing, right? I created. Now see here. I am creating CRM dev and a new item. CRM. CRM. This is the test job. Test related job. Test environment. Okay. So just save it. That's it. Now I'm going to one more job. New item and CRM hyphen stage STAG. This is a project name. This is a branch name. General, we are following like that naming convention. So for best practice, we are also following same pattern. Okay, and so CRM production prod CRM prod. Whatever you want, we can select it. That is jobs. That is your wish. Just I given some few jobs I created. Now see here, I am the admin. I can see I am the administrator, so we can see all jobs. Jenkins. Now, if I log into log out, log in, if I log into so CRM users, I want to display only these projects. CRM dev. I don't want to I don't want to display other projects, other jobs. Now clear guys? Anyone any doubt here? Now if I log into here, so I am the part of this project, right? I am the part of CRM project. I want to display only these jobs, CRM, 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 CRM. So other jobs we don't want to give access. Now got it? Anyone any doubt here?
No, sir.
Okay. Now users also ready. Now come to here. Now users also ready and also projects also ready. Everything ready. Now see here. Now try to log in user. We'll try. Now see here install a role based plugin and so you can configure global security. Now let me enable. Now I'm going to enable it. So how to enable guys? Go to first login to admin. I am login to admin user only. I am login to admin user only. Now if we see here manage Jenkins and so where is this security? Security. Just here we need to select a role based. That's it. Apply save. Enable this one also. Now we can see one user. Now we can see extra options also here. Now we can see extra options. What is that option? Manage and assign roles. Manage and assign roles. Now got it. Clear? Extra options. Now, now let's come to here. Now how to configure? Now how to configure? Log into admin user and so log into admin user and go to manage Jenkins, manage and assign roles, manage roles. Now same see here. Now I'm in admin. Now enable this option also. Now you can see manage and assign roles. Now go to dashboard. Now go to manage Jenkins. Now click on this manage and assign roles. Now if you see here, so these are the manage roles. This is the global role. Global means for everyone, correct? Global role. Global means for all users. Yes or no? So right now he is the administrator. Admin can log into do anything and he can do anything. Correct? Yes or no, guys? Admin.
Yes, sir.
Now see here global. Let me create also one role. Manage roles. So now we are giving some common name for employees and all. I'm going to give one common name. Whatever you want, we can give. That is up to you only. So we can give anyone. We can give anyone. Now see here admin. and go to manage Jenkins, go to here and go to global roles and add one role. Whatever you want, we can give. Add one role. Okay. So I am following also same steps. Just I am giving some role. That is your wish, guys. For example, so employers. Okay. Whatever you want. See here, employee. This is the one common name, or we can use any name, guys. This is your wish. Okay, up to you. We can give any name. Click on the add. See here, now I given one common name. See, this is a global role, one common name. This is applicable for all. Global means all users. Now see here, added. And give overall permission is which one? Read.
Read
Give
permission.
overall permission, read. So now see here, I selected read permission. I selected read permission. That's it. See here, add the role. I given role name is employee. Or so and give overall permission. I given read. And so remaining options are this is your wish. So there is many options, right? So credentials, what type of actions, job level, what type of actions you want, so run level, what type of actions you want, and view level, what type of access you want. This is up to you. Whatever you want, we can enable. So right now I given only read access. Only read access. This is the global role. This is the global role. Okay, that's it. Now what is next step? Now go to item roles. Now go to item roles. Okay. So now role to add. Now item roles. This is right item role. Now so we have many roles, right? Developer role I have. Next I given three types of strategies, right? One is developer and a tester and so tester. Next administrator. Correct. Project level. So I am going to give three types of these are the role item role. Now add to role. So now I am giving admin CRM admin. This is a we can give any name, that is up to you. We can give any name. Okay. Now role name. Now see here item role. So admin CRM admin. I given some name and so admin admin. I given some role. This is a global, guys. Don't confuse here. This is a global. Global means I given one name. What is the employee? So employee means so this is a common name. So overall for all users right now I given only read access. Now if you come to here, this is the item role. Item means developer available, testers available, administrator available. So based on that, I want to give something. So for this CRM admin, what type of projects you want to display? So I am the part of CRM project. So what which project you want to display? So same here I given just CRM dot star. I want to display only these projects only. I don't want to display other jobs. Okay. CRM dot star. See here we can give any name. This is just I given role is admin and so I have to view I have to display only CRM. That's it. Now add it. Just add. Okay, so here added and same way CRM developer we can give any name. For developers also I want to display only this one. That's it. These all are part of CRM only. And CRM tester. Okay, so I want to display only CRM project. I don't want other projects. Add it. Now see here. Now these are the item roles. Now this is a global role. Global means common for everyone. All employees I given first read access. Now let's come to here. This is the item role. So admin means admin. I am giving for administrator all permissions. He can run the job, create job, run the job, whatever you want, he can do it. Just select. For developers, I can give only limited permissions. What permissions I am giving? So you can create the job, you can configure the job, and so you can run level. You can run the jobs. That's it. And also view permission. You can view. Remaining, I don't want to give anything. For testers, he is the tester, right? Generally, testers we won't provide any permissions. I given only view permission. I given only job view permission. Only job view permissions. Okay, this is the view, right? Is there any other option? View, only view permission. You can see this is right view. This is credential section view, and so read also. You can
Read.
read the permission, and so you can also read this. That's it. I'm giving only limited actions. Later also we can update based on your requirement. That's it. Okay. So for administrator, now we know, right? Now we got some idea. Administrator means I am giving some full permissions. For administrator I given full permissions. For developers I given some permissions. For testers I given some permissions. Okay. Now this is the based on your role. If you want to assign any permissions, this is the role based authorization strategy. So based on user role, for admin, what type of actions, what type of permissions you want to give. For developers, what type of permissions you have to give. For testers, what type of permission. Okay. So like this we can give. This part also done. Anyone any doubt here up to? See here, log into administrator. I given one common name. This is a global role. Next add item roles. Whatever you want, just give it. Whatever you want, just give it. Okay, and that's it. Now go to assign roles. Now go to assign roles. So now item role is done. Now go to assign roles. Now come to here. So save, apply. That's it. Apply, save. Okay. Now go to assign roles. If you go to assign roles, now see here. Now see here. There is a assign role. There is a assign role. Now see here. Here add users. See here add users. So now tell me how many types of users, guys? We have CRM, three types of users, right? Dev is one user, and next CRM test one user. Next three users I created, right? CRM admin, correct? Three users. So these all three users, which permissions you want to assign? Administrator permission or employee permissions?
Employee. Employee.
Select this one. That's it. Okay. Now if you go to here, if you go to here, now item roles. Click on add user. Now add your user. CRM, dev user. I have three users, right? And so CRM, test user, and so CRM, admin. CRM, admin. Now, now this is the main. Now tell me for developers. This is the administrator, developer, tester. This is the CRM tester, developer, CRM tester, administrator. Okay, this is the role, right? It is a role. Now see here permissions. What type of permissions I given? For developers, which permission you want to assign? See here, for developers, I am giving only developer permissions. For testers, what type of permission? See here, if you see here, only I given read permission. You observe here. For admin guys, I am giving admin permissions, admin role. Now got it or not? Already we given three roles: tester role, developer role, admin role. For every role, so already we given some permissions, correct? Now I added user here. For every developers, what type of right? So permissions, what type of role you want to assign? What type of role you want to assign? Just add it. That's it. See here, I given this as the role. For testers, I given only see here limited permissions. For administrator, I given what is the full permission. I given some extra permissions. These are the roles assigned to users. Anyone any doubt here? So these are the roles. These are the users. I added three users. For developers, I given developer role. For testers, I given tester role. For administrators, I given administrator role. And these are the all are with permissions. Which global role you want to assign? Employee role only. We want to give one only. I don't want to give admin role. I attached only employee role. Anyone any doubt, guys? Now see here.
No.
Okay, assign role and add your users, user one, and select the employees, and based on your role, just assign it. That's it. Very simple. Now apply, save. Now apply, save. Now I log into with user administrator. Now I can see all jobs. Now let me log in. So log out this user. Now I'm going to log in admin, CRM admin, CRM admin user, CRM admin password, CRM. I logged into admin user. Now see here, if I log into this user, now you can see all jobs are only is part of a CRM project, right? Only you can see CRM project related jobs. Now got it. What is the difference between earlier and now?
Only
Earlier
CRM
means
project.
all jobs
I
are.
am the part of CRM project. Why I need to display? Why I need to give access other projects? If all users, if I give admin level, if all users in real time, if all users, if you see all jobs, problem, right? How to handle? That is very difficult to handle in real time. So maybe multiple people's working parallelly, multiple people's running jobs parallelly. We don't know who are. For example, by mistakenly I can do other projects also. I can trigger other project jobs. I can modify. Maybe I deleted. I can do something, right? But how can I track it? That is very difficult. So real time mostly if I am project, if for example you are the part of one project, ABC project. So I am giving only ABC project access. Very simple, right? Other projects we can't see. Other jobs we can't see. We can't do anything. Yes or no? That's very simple. I am providing security. No, we can't see other projects. We can't do anything other jobs also. అర్థమైంది నీతో? Clear?
Yes, sir.
Sudhir? Hmm.
Yes, sir. Clear, sir.
Okay. Now see here. I am see. I click on this job. Now, so this guy can do build now. See, he can build the job. I am the. This is the developer, right? For developers, I given some extra roles. See here, he can build the job. He can configure. He can do something. Now let me log into test user. CRM test, right? Yeah, test user. So you can also see. But can you see here? Is there any manage options? He can do modify. He can do any operations here. ఇక్కడ మనకి మేనేజ్ జెంకిన్స్ అని ఒక ఆప్షన్ ఉంటుంది కదా, చూడండి ఇక్కడ
Yes, sir. Less.
ఇచ్చాను యాక్షన్, యాక్సెస్ ఇచ్చాను టెస్టర్ కి.
No, sir.
నో, ఈ కెన్ సీ ద జాబ్స్. టెస్టర్ అనేవాడు బిల్డ్ రన్ చేయొచ్చా లేదా చూడండి ఇక్కడ.
Clear, sir.
చేయలేడు. దట్స్ ఇట్. నథింగ్. ఈ కాన్ డూ ఎనీథింగ్. ఈ కెన్ సీ ద జాబ్స్. దట్స్ ఇట్. సో టెస్టర్ రోల్ ఏమి, టెస్టర్ అంటే జస్ట్ అప్లికేషన్ టెస్ట్ చేసుకోవాలి. బిల్డ్ రన్ అయిందో లేదో చూసుకోవచ్చు. దట్స్ ఇట్. Now I given I remove all permissions. He cannot trigger the build. He cannot so create the build. He cannot modify anything. He cannot do anything. In real time also they are. For example, you are the tester. You joined any one organization, and they given Jenkins server URL. They given like this only. We can't do anything in real time. They won't give full access. Already I told many times, right? మీరు ఆర్గనైజేషన్లో ఏదైనా ప్రాజెక్ట్లో డిప్లాయ్ అయిన తర్వాత మీకు జెంకిన్ సర్వర్ యాక్సెస్ ఇచ్చారనుకో, ఇఫ్ యూ ఆర్ అడ్మిన్ ఓన్లీ వీ కెన్ డూ ఆల్ దీస్ థింగ్స్. సో ఇఫ్ యూ ఆర్ నాట్ అడ్మిన్ దే విల్ గివ్ యాక్సెస్ లైక్ దిస్ ఓన్లీ. See, I can't do anything. I cannot build, I cannot create, I cannot modify anything. But I can see the jobs and all. That's it. మీకు అవసరం లేదు. టెస్టర్కి ఇవన్నీ యాక్సెస్ అవసరం లేదు. So he is the tester. He can see. That's it. He can't do I don't want to modify. I don't want to trigger the build for tester. Now see here, I removed all permissions. I removed all permissions. Okay. Now there is DevApps user. DevApps. Now DevApps. Now we are getting one error message. What is the error message?
DevOps is missing the
DevApps and
overall
user
information.
unnadu, but is not part of any project. వాడికి ఏదైనా ప్రాజెక్ట్ ఏదైనా అసైన్ చేశానా?
లేదు సార్.
అసలు ఆ రోల్స్కి ఏమైనా అసైన్ చేశానా? మేనేజ్ రోల్స్, గ్లోబల్ రోల్ ఉంది కదా? నో, రైట్? Now see here, he cannot log in. He cannot log in. Now see here, full security. He is not a part of any job. Why I need to give access this guy? Okay, user is already available in Jenkins server, but he cannot log in Jenkins server. Suppose if he want to log into Jenkins server, he is part of any at least one project. I am going to give access. I am going to give access. Now see here, log out. Now I am logging to admin user. Now see here, go to manage Jenkins, go to manage Jenkins, and go to manage and assign roles. So here is there any user? Is there any user here? User only. This is the test user, developer user, admin. For example, DevOps user also I want to give something. So that case we need to use that username, DevOps. Just so he is the part of his project, CRM or any other project. So now we need to enable here. So now see here. So he is there is other projects. So for example, DevOps is a part of DevOps project. He is a part of DevOps project. Okay. Now I'm giving here. So he is a part of DevOps dot star. That's it. Okay. That's it. Just add. Now, so for this DevOps, what type of permissions you want to give? Full permission or only read only permission? That is your wish. Now I'm giving only just assume read permission, and also he is also employee, right? Now he is also employee. Now see, apply, save. Now go to assign roles. Now here already added these users, right? Add user. What is the username, guys? DevOps. So for this also, which right? So which role you want to assign? Employee role. Okay. Now add user. So right now I don't have any other roles. Just I'm giving a same role only. Enter. So add user, uh, DevOps user, right? DevOps user. Now, so for this user, so right now already I have three roles. I'm giving that existing role only. I'm giving tester role. I'm giving tester role. That's it. Apply. Save. Now log out. Now log in. DevOps user. I given so we need to give extra role. So because I given only that CRM role, right? So that is reason. If you want to specifically DevOps related role, I need to extra created one role. So where I need to create here. So go exactly if you want to only this related DevOps related and all, we need to give we need to create one extra role DevOps related. We need to attach it. That's it. So now we can able to log in or not. Earlier he is unable to log in, correct? Now I given some access, view access, some roles assigned, CRM roles are assigned. So that is the reason you can see only. No, I don't want to CRM. I want to give, we need to create one more role. So DevOps related project. We need to assign this role to that particular user. That's it. అర్థమవుతుందా? Now got it or not? సో నేను ఇప్పుడు ఏ రోల్ అసైన్ చేశాను? సిఆర్ఎం రోల్ అసైన్ చేశాను. సో దట్ ఈస్ ద రీజన్ యూ కెన్ ఏబుల్ టు సీ ఓన్లీ సిఆర్ఎం రిలేటెడ్ రోల్. So if you want to specifically, I want to display only this. this projects. Now we have to create one separate role, and so create role, assign to that role to that user. That's it. Same. Whatever steps we follow, we need to follow same second time also. Now go to here, log out. Now I'm logging to test user, right? Now see here, he cannot log in. Why he cannot log in? I didn't give any access level. At least we need to give view access, right? See here, overall read permission. You don't have any permissions. You don't have any permissions. You don't have any permissions. If you want to, we can give. Even if I create a new user also, we cannot log in. So how to create users? So go to here, users, and click on new user. I am giving, for example, I am giving, see here, he is a new user. Okay. Now even if I create a new user, he cannot log in. Now see user created. Now sign out, log out. So log out. Now I'm trying to log in. You can able to log in or not log in. You can log in or not log in.
Login.
Log in outada. Now try it. Why you cannot log in?
Permission. Wait, permission.
I don't given any permission, right? If you want to give any permission, again go to admin. Now like this only in real time people are handling. So go to manage Jenkins, and so go to here next. So here, right? So where is this? This is given, and so go to here, manage assigned roles, and go to here. Just I've given only manage assigned roles, and here I am giving add user. What is the username? Ramana.
Ramana.
Okay, I given just at least view access. Okay, I am not going to give anything, just only view access. That's it. Log out. Now see here. Now you can able to log in, but you can't see anything. Did I assign any role? Just I
No.
given overall permission only, but he can't see any project. He is not part of any project. I didn't give any access other projects. Clear? To there, Neetu.
Yes, sir.
This way, in real time, people are maintaining. We are giving access level to users. Now see
Yes,
here,
sir.
I given so common permission. I given review permission only. But if you want to give any project access, same story. See here. So go to here, create first one item role, and assign to that item role to that user. That's it. Very simple. Now that user, this user can see that particular project. But whatever, whichever configuration you configure, so based on this, you can able to log in. Now this is now very simple, right? He is a user. Now you can't do anything other projects. You cannot modify, you cannot. There is full security. Now if I log in, admin, for example, if I log in CRM dev user. Now he is a part of CRM, right? He can see all jobs. Other projects he can't see. Other project he can't see anything. He can't do anything. Where is this? Which CRM dev only, right? What is the user? Dev or test? CRM ADMIN. CRM. Now see here. Now I log into admin. Now admin can see only. He is part of only CRM project admin. He is not part of other projects. Now got it. CRM admin ಅನ್ನೋಡು ಈ ಪ್ರಾಜೆಕ್ಟ್ admin. So now we can see. Now we can do, you can configure, you can modify whatever you want, you can do it. So like this, we can give role based on user role. We can give permissions. For example, manager is the one user, right? So manager అంటే ఎన్ని roles ఇవ్వాలి వీడికి? For example, he is handling 3 projects. So for every project we have some, I created some roles, right? I am assigning that roles to this manager. That's it. Now we can see all projects. He is part of how many projects. So very simple. In plugin also we can understand, right? Role based authorization strategy plugin based on user role based authorization strategy plugin. User role. What is your role? You are the admin, you are the developer, you are the tester, or you are the manager, or you are the team lead. Based on user role, we are going to give some permissions. I hope you got it, guys. Anyone any doubt here? This is very important. So in real time, 100% most of the people they are following this one only. So most of the even so my project also we are maintaining same thing, and so that people so developer they have some permissions, testers they have some permissions, and testers so which project you part of which project, they can see only that project only, that jobs only. Other jobs, other projects we can't see anything, other jobs and all. Clear? Now security, right? If నేను ఏదైనా other jobs చూడొచ్చు, other projects, I can't do anything, I can't see, I can't modify, I can't delete. Whatever you want, we can do only same project. Clear, Sudhir? This is very
Yes, sir.
important. Already everything I noted clearly here. So first time you follow same steps, and the next time, second time onwards. Anyway, I know, right? First time you are getting many errors. Just try it, whether it will work or not. Okay. So first time we are getting some issues. Just try it, and if it is not succeeded, just oh no, right? I can't connect with the SAR or me anything. So if already so a few people you have some idea, right? Just try it. It will work. Steps and all already I noted clearly. I will send this document. Follow same steps. Follow same steps. So anyone any doubt here? So that's it from my side today.